Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix a common issue with a multimeter. As you can see in this photo, my multimeter started displaying multiple unit dots simultaneously, and the problem kept getting worse over time. To resolve this, we will need to disassemble the multimeter. But first, a safety reminder. Before opening the housing, always power off the device and remove the battery to avoid any risk. Pay close attention to the range selector switch contact group. These parts often sit loosely and there is a significant risk of losing them during disassembly. Now we have the PCB in hand. The most problematic area is the center. To inspect it thoroughly, use a flashlight behind the PCB. This will help illuminate the tiny spaces between the contacts. Next, carefully clean the contacts using a needle. Be gentle to avoid damaging the components. Once cleaned, wipe the area with Isopropanol, both before and after the procedure, to ensure it's completely free of contaminants. For added protection, apply a small amount of Vaseline to the contact rings. This will help maintain smooth operation and prevent future issues. Finally, reassemble the multimeter carefully and you are done. You can now enjoy your fully functioning multimeter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others who might benefit.